Hi there, it's George here, long time no see. Well, here I am and I'm gonna show you the bamboo video. Enjoy! Did you remember when I planted bamboo here in the nature? In my back is bamboo. I don't know the name of this variety, but the rhizomes I got from Italy. One I planted here nearby a small river and it sounds water. And I will show you the golden bamboo as well. And my bamboos that I grow indoors, but they don't look so happy that they on the ground here. And I hope in the springtime will grow new shoots, we'll see. In winter time we are in middle of January now, and the bamboo looks very happy, more happy than in summertime because summer is drying and more sunny, but in winter is wet and such temperatures likes the bamboo, and it is looking now very lush, but in springtime will grow new shoots. I wait for that. Look at it, it is beautiful and will grow more tall in the next season, like springtime. Anyway, so beautiful now looking because it's sunny here, no any shade from the trees because they are without leaves, all of them, but the bamboo is with leaves. That is amazing. The bamboo plant is amazing. And let me show you another one. And here we go, this is the same variety, and in 2024 did grow this cane. As you can see, it's very healthy, it's tall like almost like me, as you can see, nice, almost a little bit, and will be like me next year for sure. And here is the bamboo, the same variety. In 3 places I planted and waiting for new canes for this one, and I will see when will grow. Now it's time for show you the golden bamboo too. This is beautiful too, it's healthy too. It is like frozen a little bit, as you can see on the grass, and the bamboo looks like healthy. And this cane, it was grown in 2024. It is very healthy, as you can see, even in winter time, and very beautiful. Now let's see the most of bamboo that I have in the pots, and they grow indoor. This is beautiful, and it looking nice, but not so nice that are outside. Anyway, in 2024 did grow a new shoot, and it was tall like 1 meter and something, and here growing branches already. I spray every day the leaves because the bamboo loves humidity. Look at it in the top, it is healthy. But on the second bamboo, the bamboo that is in a large container, and it is not looking very happy. I don't know why, something missing, or I don't know why, but even on the new shoots the leaves looks like such way, something not good. Why these leaves? They are new, but they are already sick. Maybe you know, write in the comments, it will help me a lot. And the bamboo shoot, this is a new one, it was grown recently, tall like me, as you can see, and the leaves are okay yet, but I hope they will look okay all time, we'll see. But on this kind, as you can see, the leaves not okay. I don't know why this happens. Anyway, maybe the soil reporting changed the soil, and as you can see, I decorated this bamboo. now on winter holidays. It is looking more beautiful. Now it's in the kitchen, I grow it this year. But in springtime I will move it outdoor, you know. Well, I hope you enjoy the new video of bamboo. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.